Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Genesis GV80. Press and hold the key fob circular arrow button for 3 seconds while within range to engage the engine. If the vehicle does not start, check that doors and trunk are closed and the hood is latched. Use the same button to turn off remote start if needed. I will also cover range tips and basic troubleshooting to keep things simple and safe. In this video, I will show how to remote start Genesis GV80. Range can vary, so test remote start in your typical parking spots to know what works best. If range feels limited, replace the key fob battery and avoid testing near large metal structures. Remember that cold weather may slightly change signal behavior. I will share quick tips to maximize range and avoid common frustrations when using remote start. In this video, I will show how to remote start Genesis GV80. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a straightforward book that can change how you think about money and free up time for practical hobbies like maintaining your GV80. It's an easy, relatable read that pairs well with a cup of coffee while you learn car tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remote start Genesis GV80. You can set climate preconditioning so the cabin reaches a comfortable temperature when you arrive. Always ensure the parking area is clear and do not leave the vehicle unattended while warming if someone might enter from the outside. If you notice abnormal sounds or odors, disable remote start and inspect the vehicle. I aim to keep these steps clear and approachable for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.